Shit on? Alright. Look. You fucking hear that? You fucking hear that? That's fucking you. That's fucking you right now. I'm proving to you how fucking... This is you when you fucking sleep. That's all I gotta fucking say. It's about... I don't know... 11:30. Just... watch. I believe you sensed my presence and calmed down, but you heard the decibel, the fucking decibel of snoring you just did. Now, you could probably hear it again. It just started because, you know, I went away. So, this video is just a proof, you know, for everyone here, and I'm going to put it on YouTube also, about how fucking bad your ass snores. And now I'm going to throw something at you. Peace out.